After making hundreds of thousands of dollars from using Bullx trading meme coins, within the last couple of days, I've decided to swap over to Axiom Pro just because they have better tools and they actually pay you to trade. Check a look at this. So, only within the last week, I've made 1.6 Sol just for trading. Meaning, this is what? Couple $100 just for using their platform. And to be honest with you guys, I haven't even traded that much this week. So I reckon this can easily net me, $500 to $1,000 a day, a week, just trading. Bullx didn't give you no rewards back. All right. And if you want to see how much I've made this week off trading meme coins, nearly 6,000. It's actually over 10,000. I also trade from my Telegram bot when I'm on the move. But anyway, digress. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Axiom, the best filters that you need to be a profitable trader in meme coins. And if you guys want 5x rewards, well, 2x rewards we can give you with 10% off your trading fees, use the link in the description to be able to start off with Axiom. Even if you got Axiom already, all you need to do is open a new Phantom wallet and use my link to start trading. Because in the future, I'm about to do some massive competitions and giveaways and meetups with people that are using my link. So let's jump straight into it. So if you want to maximize your gains, you need the right filters. And you also need to know what you're doing. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I trade, how I make all this money trading meme coins, and the best filters I use. So for new pairs, you don't need no filters. Why? Is because I like to see every coin that comes out and something that's actually getting volume and something that stood out to me. Let's just have a look at this. I might even jump into this. I see a lot of volume here. Bit risky because I haven't even done research. But just for this video, let's see if we can make any quick gains. All right. I got in and I got out literally within seconds. And how much did we make? $140. Like, guys, literally, I've just showed you $140 in the matter of seconds while I'm actually giving you guys a tutorial. Yes, it's gone up a lot more, but it doesn't really matter. This is how you make thousands of dollars a day and a week because you want to get in and get out on volume. All right. Why did I get into that coin? Because, like I said, I'm scalping new pairs. And as soon as I see some volume coming here, I'm going to get in. I'm going to get in on the dip and I'm going to get out. And that's exactly what we did here. And we're not going to be caring about, oh, we could have made more. We don't really care, guys. We made $142. Like, show me somewhere you're going to make that in life. Clicking some buttons. All right. So let's jump straight back into it. All right. So this is what we do with new filters. We look new pairs, looking for something a bit of volume, something different, something new, something unique. And guys, a lot of things will come second nature. Like also that meme, it looked cool. It was very much second nature to me. Meme squad, it looked funny, it looked cool. And what I like about Axiom, it also gives you a lot of information. So this dev has migrated 4 coins already. So it shows me that it was a good dev. Okay. I also seen, believe it or not, in that split second, these holders going up. So I'm looking for holders and looking for market cap. All right. Also, what I love about Axiom, and Bullx doesn't do this, I love this hovering. Okay, what's this going to look at this big, all these buys. Okay, all these buys. Oh! Woo! This was a little bit riskier, just because it went up so much. So I probably won't enter this one. Just really, really risky. But let's have a look at what is it? Gate. See, hovered over. I seen a little bit. Okay, it's the launch coin meta. Let's see who's this guy. See if he's notable. Okay, it's followed by Tolly. That's probably why this is going crazy. As he posted, and this is a good thing as well. This here, I'll go over this later. Yeah, this is good for a scalp. Let's wait for a little bit of a dip and we'll scalp this. If it dips, because it's followed by Tolly, is why people like this one. And I'll tell you what else I look for then. Okay, like I said, a little bit of a risky one, but let's go for a quick scalp. Okay, cups is bought. Okay, I sold then, and I'll tell you why. One is because you don't have to win every trade, guys. But what you want to do is don't lose a trade. So I got in, we got up. I could have got up here for a little $50, but I was waiting for it to go for at least a 50%, a 2x, right? But then it went down to my entry. And look, luckily I sold because I would have been in loss. So what I tried to do, I just tried to not lose. It's a famous saying Warren Buffett once says. Rule number one in trading, don't lose. And how crazy it sounds. That's what you want to do. So if you're getting a good entry, which obviously this was a perfect entry on that dip here, right? Yeah, we could, down here. We could have sold up here, but we was pushing a little bit to get a little bit more. But as soon as it got back to my entry, I'm gone. I don't want to lose, right? So we are up. We're still profitable. We're still up 100 and something dollars. Anyway, digress. So I love this. I love with Axiom because you can toddle over here and you can just see the actual Twitter post without going onto it, right? And then also you can see if there's the socials are also linked, and you can see the percentage of holders. So this is the percentage of people that are holding. Top 10, 26 is pretty good. We want this to be at least 20, 30. Under 30, anything over 30, too many holders. Bundles, 25%. So this is naughty. Bullx didn't do this. I can also see how much bundles in here. 25% bundles. Okay, bundles can be a good and can be a bad thing. All right, let me tell you why. So when a bundle means the person that launches coin owns a big percentage of the supply. Now, if they have decent intentions and they want to push this project, this is a good thing because they have supply control. But if they are doing things bad, all right, then they can dump on us. So it's a thin line between it's good and it's bad. But preferably you don't want to see more than 20, 30% bundled. Okay. I have the only filter that I have down here. Well, obviously I have all these ticks because these are like the actual launch pads. So we have these ticks on all of them. Just make sure all these are ticks. But for the actual filters, minimum 5 minutes. Okay. Metrics, 6,500 market cap. Now I'll explain to you why I like these metrics. 5 minutes, it just shows volume. So a lot of coins that come in that are new, they come here because they're new. They're only 5 minutes old. I'm not seeing no old stuff, new stuff. And also because it's 6,500 minimum market cap, it shows me that it's got volume. It's coming in spiking with volume. All right. Also, the tracking, you can add all your wallets that you should be tracking. And that's why I got into that coin as well. Seen the volume. I've seen people I know buy it. All right. Got it in a dip, made $150. Easy work, light work. Now, these are not that easy to find. All right. If you guys want access to all these wallets that I take hours a day, well, my team, to find these wallets every single day, day in, day out, check the link in the description. Who's this? What's this? Check the link in the description. Okay, this seems like he's buying this. Ooh, missed a little bit of a dip there. Maybe we could have gotten. Let's get in here. Okay. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to get out of it. Okay, we took no loss then. We just basically broke even then, yeah? We got in, bit of a risky play, and then we got out before. Cupsy was in, it was holding, then he sold, and then he started being stupid. So I got out. Could have held it for more, but didn't want to take no losses. Anyway, where was we? Yeah, wallets. So if you want access to these wallets, check the link in the description. You've got there'll be a link to Discord. In the Discord, we give you all these wallets. These wallets are like gold. They're worth thousands of dollars, okay, because of the time we took, and you'll know all the best wallets and you just go straight into it, all right? And if you want access to Axiom, it's also in the description. All right, now, also, we don't have no filters here. This side is very dangerous, but it's good. And I tell you, the only way I would buy on this side is on a dip. It's on like a big retracement support line. Now, let me explain to you about support resistance. Cool. If I seen this launch, which it would have launched 28 minutes ago. And I'll show you a prime example. Let me just get rid of all these mess. Trapped wallets. So this is just a random one. There's a couple of support and resistance, which I'm going to explain to you a couple now. One is kind of I'll call it the ATH strategy, right? So I've seen this would have migrated, and it would have went from migration here, and it would have went all the way up here. Okay, first the volume strategy. There's a few. Let's talk about the volume strategy. As soon as it launched, I would have seen it keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and I would have just aped in because the volume would have been crazy. I know the volume would have been crazy because you can just see the green, the green, the green, the green, the green. It just been going crazy. I would have aped in, and I would have took a quick 50% there. All right, that's the volume strategy. You see big green candles, get in and get out. And then you look at the volume as well, and the 5 minutes volume, as long as that's going up, that's high. As long as the hold is going up as well, we're good. Now, you've got another strategy. Let's call this the ATH strategy, okay? So if you look at this here, when it went up, it kind of accumulated here, okay? So it went up, it dropped down, and now this is the support line, right? I don't really want to, I don't know how far this is going to go. Like, is it going to go down? Is it going to go up? So what I can do, because it would have all this volume, I would look for the next ATH, right? So ATH means all-time high. So now this is ranging between the 142 and the 109, okay? Now it's set another floor, another ATH. So as soon as I seen it, see resistance, support, boom, went past the resistance. As soon as it went past the resistance, now I know we're good to go. So I would have got in here, right? If it dropped below and I liked it, I would have put another little bid in here. Okay. So this would have got my entry lower. And then as it went up, I took profits. But it didn't. Perfect. Even better. ATA. And then look where it went from the ATA. So the ATA strategy, we literally 3x. Okay. So we got the ATA strategy. When you see ranges, and then we see breakthrough previous resistance, and it goes to all-time highs. And we're getting as it broke through. We've got the volume strategy. And I'll do a whole YouTube video about this actually another day as well, because there's a couple more strategies. So you know what? Let's keep it simple. We're going to give you guys the strategies, and make sure you subscribe and keep watching. And on the next videos, we will give you some more strategies. Till the next time, peace.